Hi everyone, this is the first time trying the Dragon Crackle Effect Pour. Today I'm experimenting with the Dragon or Crackle Effect for the very first time using the Pouring Your Heart Out Crystal Edge Round Mold. And here is what I used. So I've used the Spectrum Red Acrylic Ink, 6 drops, and I mixed it in 1/4 of a small coffee cup of Artco Fast Cure resin, Carbon Black Acrylic Ink, 6 drops, True Red Mica powder in a 1/4 cup of resin, and the Ocean White Pigment paste by Let's Resin. I used 4 drops. All of the cups that have the resin in it, I equally divided it apart from the red mica. So make sure that you mix the mica powders and the inks and everything really well, otherwise you're going to get little tiny blobs. I'm not sure how this is going to work out, but I'm giving it my best shot. So that's the clear resin mixed with the Spectrum Red. The next one is the black. I didn't have, they say that you should be using Carbon Black ink, but I didn't have any, so I just used a normal black. And this is the white pigment paste by Just Resin. Getting that all mixed up and line free. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the music while you watch me pouring. Basically I pour in circular motions, and I think all of you all know that that's how most artists do it. And so sit back, enjoy, and tell me what you think at the end, because I don't think this is going to work out the way I wanted it. So we'll see till the end, till the demold. Enjoy. So let's see how this turned out. It looks nice on the other side. Let's have a look. Here we go. Oh, what do you guys think? Does it actually look like Crackle or Dragon or Larima? What does it actually look like? I have to beat this, you know. I've got to look at a few more videos and see the step-by-step process. The mold was beautiful. The crystal edge came out really nice. So here's some images. Ciao for now.